Good morning, this is Marks from the Bible in 1 Year. Today we're going to look at Leviticus 24. Leviticus 24 contains three main sections. Firstly, we have the lampstand in the tabernacle. God instructs the Israelites to bring pure olive oil for the golden lampstand in the tabernacle. Aaron is responsible for keeping the lamps burning continually before the Lord. Now the key lesson here is that continual light symbolized God's presence among His people and Israel's ongoing devotion to Him. Then we have the bread of presence. 12 loaves of bread were placed on the table before the Lord every Sabbath. The 12 loaves represented the 12 tribes of Israel and reminded the people that they lived continually in God's presence and depend on Him for provision. The lesson here is that God is the provider of all His people's needs, and worship involves recognizing our dependence on Him. Thirdly, we see the blasphemer punished. A man of mixed Israelite and Egyptian parentage became involved in a fight and blasphemed God's name. God commanded that he be punished by stoning. Following this event, God reaffirmed principles of justice, including the well-known phrase, an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. This was not a command for personal revenge, but a legal principle ensuring that punishment fit the crime and that justice was admitted fairly. God's name is holy, and His people are called to honor Him. Justice should be fair, impartial, and consistent for everyone. The lampstand and bread reminded Israel that God dwelled among them and desired ongoing fellowship with Him. The lamps burned continually, teaching that devotion to God is not occasional but continual. God's name represents His character, His authority, and His glory. His people are called to honor Him in speech and conduct. God is just, and God established a system of justice that was fair and equal for both native Israelites and foreigners living among them. Now, how do we apply Leviticus 24 in our lives today? Just as the lamps were continually supplied with oil, believers should continually nurture their relationship with God through prayer, worship, and scripture. Jesus said that believers are the light of the world. Our lives should reflect the character of Jesus wherever we go. The bread of the presence reminds us that everything we have comes from God. We should thank Him for His provision and trust Him for our future needs. Rather than relying solely on our own strength, we should acknowledge God's hands in every blessing that we receive. We should honor God's name. Today, honoring God's name goes beyond avoiding profanity. It includes representing Him well through your words, your actions, even your attitudes, and also your testimony. People often form opinions about God based on the behavior of His followers. That is us, Christians. As Christians, we should stand for truth and for mercy and integrity in our homes, in our workplaces, and in communities. The lamp and the bread pointed to a life lived before God. Instead of viewing faith as something reserved for Sundays, we can cultivate an awareness of God's presence every day. In essence, Leviticus 24 teaches us to live in God's presence, depend on His provision, and honor His name, and pursue justice in our relationships. Through Christ, we become people who shine His light in the world and find our daily sustenance in Him. Have a blessed day.